How to fix black border on laptop screen. If you have a black border around your laptop screen, this video will show you several settings you can check to fix the problem. First, open the Windows search box. Type Settings and open it. Now click on System and select Display. Under Scale and Layout, check the Scale setting and make sure it's set to the recommended option. Next, check Display Resolution and select the resolution marked Recommended. After that, scroll down to Advanced Display and open it. Make sure you're viewing the correct display. Then check the available refresh rate options. Select the highest refresh rate available for your laptop display and apply the changes. You can also check the display adapter properties. Open the Monitor tab and select the highest available screen refresh rate there if necessary. After applying these settings, check your screen again. The black border should be reduced or removed if the issue was caused by incorrect display settings. That's how you can fix black borders on a laptop screen in Windows. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.